in such a huge recycling store, where they combine new with old, upcycled, which non-used. There's records, furniture, carpets, everything. Where Linda is. Linda.
Tutto carina.
So I was in the secondhand market and asked, where are the sofas and the other stuff? And they said, oh, there's another building. And now I got into that place, and then he told me that there's another room. This is like the size of a football field. And, well, you can see that me as a recycler, loving upcycling, this is hysteric. Completely hysteric. So much things here that you can spend a whole day here. They're like tables and chairs and sofas and divans and beds. Everything, everywhere, in a massive quantity. So I thought I was through it all. I was not. So it just continues. It just continues and continues. Furniture by furniture, their kitchens. So much things that you can actually get a little bit tired in the head. Because everything, they have just about everything. Super crazy. Why don't we have this kind of place in Sweden? I wonder. This is what they call it, new arrivals. So this is the stuff that just arrived. Well, there is humongous of stuff here. It's just hysteric. Hysteric. Okay, let's dive back in again. Kitchens. Old radios. Kitchens. Beds. Oh. More beds. More bed tables. Kitchen. I'm looking for a small table. And here are doors. Mamma mia. Oh, okay. Now I'm in heaven. Oh, wow, 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 wow. And here's the recycling place. Jesus Christ. Okay, so more kitchens. Kitchen cupboards. Ooh, old kitchen. Nice. Nice. And here's for the... Ooh, this was nice. This was nice. More doors. Okay, so I think I lost it. I think I've lost it. Okay, drinkers. Okay, toilets. Okay, I will never ever buy a new toilet anymore. Or a water tank. Jesus Christ. It's like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of meters. Oh, no, no, no. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mamma mia. Okay, so this is the bigger ones. So do you want in a special color maybe? No problem. You can have any color you want. There's clinkers, bidets, more clinker. Jesus. Piping. More clinker. More big bathtubs. More clinkers. More pipes. Cubes. Oh! Old ladders. Wow, wow, wow. And more clinkers. Jesus Christ. This place never ends. It never ends.
Questo.
Okay, this is a new place, so okay, this is like office furniture. Jesus. Okay, office furniture, kitchens, more lamps, of course, lamps everywhere. Oh no. Okay, so here's all the industrial lamps. Pizza oven. Perfect. So, what does the pizza oven cost? Wow, wow, wow. Okay, this is like a big kitchen stuff. This is more kitchen stuff. So it actually it never ends. I have no idea where I'm at, where my friends are, where my wife is. I have no clue, because this place is so huge that it's just mind-blowing. It's just mind-blowing. Thanks for watching this episode. If you like, hit the like button. If you want to see more from us on this journey, hit the subscribe. Ciao!